When looking to hire your next freelance writer, consider PayPerWord.com. Our platform connects you with professional freelance writers who can help get your writing projects done fast and for a fraction of the cost. Many of our freelancers use AI writing tools to lower the cost of content production, passing savings on to the client, and increase their earning power by harnessing the efficiency created through AI writing tools. When you use AI writing tools, you can be assured that you're getting high-quality content from a professional writer. These tools help writers produce content more quickly and efficiently, which means they can pass on those savings to you. In addition, using AI writing tools helps writers become more proficient in their craft, ensuring your content will rank higher and be visible to more potential clients. As a result, you get content that is well written and tailored to your specific needs. Here's how it works. 1. Browse our directory of professional freelance writers and find the perfect writer for your project. 2. Send them your project proposal, which outlines the specifics of your writing project. 3. Negotiate a price and timeline that works for both you and the writer. 4. Receive and review your work. Once the project is complete to your liking, rate and review your writer to let other clients know what they can expect. Advantages of using PayperWord.com. Huge selection of professional freelance writers to choose from. Flexible pricing and payment options for every business size and every budget. Easy-to-use platform that makes project management a breeze. Client feedback and rating system helps you find the best writers for your needs. So what are you waiting for? Start hiring on PayperWord.com today. There are many advantages to using PayperWord.com when hiring a freelance writer. For one, we have a huge selection of professional writers to choose from, so you can find the perfect writer for your project. In addition, our platform is easy to use and makes project management a breeze. Plus, our client feedback and rating system helps you find the best writers for your needs. As if that weren't enough, we offer flexible pricing and payment options for every budget and business size. So what are you waiting for? Start hiring on PayperWord.com today.